College is supposed to be a time of learning and growing, but as a parent, it can be a time of crazy expenses. So the biggest questions on everyone's mind are, do I need to keep my college student on my insurance policy? My name is Patrick McBride here with the McBride Agency. Probably wondering if you should keep your college student on your auto insurance policy. The short answer is, it depends. There's really no one-size-fits-all answer for this. In this video, I'm gonna break down the pros and cons of keeping your college student on your policy so you can make the best financial decision for your family.
I got family.
It really only comes down to a couple of factors if you should leave your college student on your auto policy. Will they be driving or commuting on a regular or daily basis? Are they living on campus with no regular access to a car? That's it. Now let's tackle if they will be driving or commuting on a regular basis first. If they're going to be driving on a regular basis, it makes a lot of sense to keep them on your policy. First of all, they'll have coverage when they're driving.
It was a no-brainer.
Right? Next, if they're a passenger during an accident, being on your policy may provide extra coverage depending on your policy limits. And the last benefit is they'll have a continuous coverage history from when they do get their own policy. And this is a huge setup for your young drivers' long-term insurance costs. There are also student-specific discounts that might be available. So talk to your agent about that. Let's look at if they're living on campus without regular access to a car. Before we really dig into this, I do want to go back and mention that most carriers offer a discount on your auto insurance if your child is away at school without a vehicle. However, this can really depend greatly on the distance of the school in relationship to your home address. Now, if they're going to be living on or near campus without having their own car, there might really be some decent savings that you should consider. The biggest downside of taking them off your policy is the possibility no coverage if they get into an accident in an uninsured car or while driving without consent. And you'll be responsible to remember to call your agent back and add them to your policy if they plan on coming home and driving. Think about winter or summer breaks. So, should you keep your college student on your auto insurance policy? Again, it really depends. If they're commuting every day and they need a car to get around, it's probably the best to maintain that coverage for them. If they're living in a dorm or off campus and have regular access to other transportation, then you really could save some money by taking them off your plan. Both ways have pros and cons. And we know that this stuff can be really confusing and every family needs to make a decision for themselves. Don't hesitate to give us a call or schedule time with our team of experts. We'll help you figure out what works best for you and your family, even if you're not currently a client of the McBride Agency. And normally I say, but you should be here. That's irrelevant. We want to make sure that you're covered. Be sure to check back weekly as we release a new video every Monday, helping you get the most out of your insurance.